Why isn't my robot vacuum turning on?
Make sure that the dock is plugged in, the vacuum is seated correctly, and the charging contacts are clean. If the battery still won't charge, inspect for damaged cables or try a different outlet. If problems persist, a new battery or professional support may be needed.
How do I fix a robot vacuum that gets stuck often?
Clear away clutter and obstacles from the floor. Loose wires, rugs, or furniture legs can trap your vacuum. Use boundary strips if available, and regularly check the wheels and brushes for debris. Cleaning sensors with a soft cloth can also help it better avoid obstacles and navigate smoothly.
What should I do if my robot vacuum misses spots?
Ensure the sensors and camera are clean and unobstructed. Dust buildup can cause navigation issues. Also, empty the dustbin frequently and check for software updates in the companion app. Resetting the mapping feature can help the vacuum learn your space accurately and cover every area.
How can I solve suction or cleaning problems?
Regularly clean or replace the filter and brush roll. Clogged filters or tangled brushes reduce suction and cleaning performance. Make sure the dustbin is emptied after each run. If your vacuum has adjustable suction, set it to the appropriate level for your flooring.
What if my robot vacuum won't return to the charging dock?
Place the charging dock against a wall in an open area. Remove objects near the dock that could interfere with navigation. Clean the docking sensors on both the base and the vacuum. For best results, allow at least 3 feet of space on each side of the dock.